Hello, hello, hello. What's good, Earthlings? It's your boy Fadlan, aka NinjaTea, with Lanrai, my DJ Ninja Sniper. Yeah, let's just make sure everything's working on the YouTube, and we will get started. Okay, everything is working. What's good, people? It's currently 6 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time, Sunday, the 12th of May 2024. Welcome to another amazing episode of Technically Speaking, which is a free weekly webinar covering everything stocks, crypto, charts, technical analysis, etc. Let's do the quick intro and then over to BitBlond. So, for those new, we are Blockchain Sensei. We are the UK's leading Black and Asian-owned Web3 solutions and financial literacy company. We solve all sorts of problems in the space, including but not limited to escrow, helping Web3 companies get investments, and connecting Web3 companies with developers. On the financial literacy side, we teach at some of the most prestigious institutions in the world, including but not limited to Anglia Ruskin University, Cambridge, and Imperial College. We've got a great network of universities, especially around the UK. We do 3 webinars a week. We do the game every Monday, 8 p.m. till 9:30 UK time since 2020. This is where we do stocks and crypto fundamentals. Wednesday, we are back in Manchester with our weekly in-person workshop called Create Tech, helping artists and creators monetize on their creativity with Web3 and AI. So if you know somebody in the Manchester area, let them know about Create Tech. Fridays, not NFT Fridays, and then Sundays is our charts and trading show. Superjoy.com/blockchain sensei for everything blockchain sensei, including our free Telegram, free WhatsApp, our YouTube channel with nearly 400 videos now, with I think about 200 episodes of the game. It's crazy. And also, of course, the dojo is our subscription service. This is where you will see the behind the scenes of a 6-figure portfolio that we're scaling to 7, hopefully, within this bull market. 5 webinars a week, private webinars, myself, Jay, Mr. Harding. And you'll also get access to early pre-sales, lots of pre-sales coming soon. Again, we're going to get another rush, but that's basically off-market opportunities, signals, a daily Ninja and Jay chat. What more could you ask for? And also, did I mention you get 100% money back guarantee if you're unhappy within 27 days. Let's get into the disclaimer and then over to BitBlond. Oh, no. Oh my God, the Matrix is attacking my screen. 1 second, guys. We're back. Disclaimer, terms and conditions. We're good? Okay. Disclaimer, terms and conditions. All content for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. And it should not be considered as investment advice or recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please always do your what, guys?
Research.
Our content is intended and should only be used for informational use only. It's very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Lanra, you're looking very, very swaggy with a do-rag. You financial advisor?
Nah, mate. Nah.
Financial advisor, that's not me. Yeah? Jay, BitBlond, any of you guys financial advisors? Myself, Lanrai, Jay, BitBlond, anyone in the room are not financial advisors. We do not tend to be perceived or received as financial advisors. However, we're working in collaboration with several accredited advisors. If you're unable to mitigate your risk, let us know immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor who can say, financial advisor, that is me. Yeah, that is me. Because financial advisor, that's not me. Yeah? So, BitBlond, lady of the hour, how are you? We will meet this month.
Hey guys, I'm good. GM.
GM.
Yeah, I'm hoping to meet you in person. Okay. I am. So I will just do a quick TA.
Boom.
Let me share my screen. I am not trading Bitcoin or Ethereum today. The only position I got at the moment is that HBAR USDT, as I mentioned, also in the group. I think this is going to take some time, but it's definitely playing out. You know, I think the big opportunity could be in altcoins at the moment.
You know
So
what?
check this one.
You know what? I'm gonna double back you on this one. Yeah. Guys, I know sometimes you guys see me and BitBlond disagree on things. I'm like, short. She's like, long. But with this one, I've actually done like a bit of TA like 2 days ago, and I was looking to long H bar. I'll be honest. So yeah, I'm glad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm glad you opened up with this.
Oh yeah, so that's literally the position I got opened at the moment, and I also shared in the group.
Oh, you
the
wait.
Dojo group.
So you have a long on H bar now?
Yes.
When did you open the long?
Let me see. Let me go through the message because I also shared to the group.
Wait, which group?
Well, it doesn't say the date, but it's like 2 days ago.
Yeah,
I'm talking about Blockchain Sensei Dojo group.
I should have did it. I thought about doing it.
Yeah, so yeah, Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm waiting on the moment. It looks like it's gonna drop for some time, but I'm not taking any decision till tomorrow, to see what is happening actually on Monday market to move forward with Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, we could just be consolidating once more, but personally, I don't think today it is a good entry on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But you got this opportunity still here. It's pretty flat. This trade is pretty flat. It's been on for today, but this is gonna move crazy. Like this one is gonna go crazy, right? So I shared on a group as well. If you guys on the call are at the group, you probably saw that. So I'm looking forward to see H bar at least back to 0.14. And then let's see what else is gonna happen. That's the only trade I have at the moment. So from tomorrow, I'll be longing or shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum or not. Any questions?
Yes. How much leverage?
Oh, Ninja.
Are you doing H bar? And where's your stop loss at?
I have 30x. Okay, that's not a financial advice at all, and I don't have a stop loss yet.
Okay. People might get liquidated. People.
No, I won't.
Why if it is the dumpy?
Because I've been watching a lot, but of course when I go bed, like I shouldn't say this live. So yeah, when I go bed, I will add my stop loss because during the day I would be watching. But I mentioned this on my channel multiple times. Sometimes I have stop loss, sometimes I don't. But when I don't, I'm definitely watching it. I don't really recommend people trading without stop loss.
Yeah, only if you're BitBlond.
Only if you're watching it.
Yeah, no.
Even if you're watching, you should be careful.
Right, so you see Lan right here, he's a big chart watcher. I don't know anybody. Jay, would you say you watch charts more or Landry watches charts more? Who watches more out of you two?
That's a good question. I don't know. Recently, I've been watching it a lot more. I would say over the last week, it's maybe neck and neck, but before then, it was definitely Lanway.
Yeah, this guy watches. I'm like,
yeah, I can't lie.
Like his TV. You know what I mean?
I like it too. I'm not gonna lie. I really like it. I think you need to like it.
Yeah.
You do. Yeah. I would literally skip anything to watch my graph.
I can't lie, it's like me too.
It's so natural, you know, even when I'm outside at the tube, anyway, I would just go to my chart. So yeah, be careful out there. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing today.
What do you think of the current H bar price to buy?
I think it's a great buying zone now because
Okay.
we are super flat and we're just leaving the descending triangle. And this is actually a great momentum, you know, when you are. But this trade could take a while. That's the thing. But it's definitely going to play out. You know, these trades, they could take up to, I don't know, 5 days. All you have to do is wait to the pump, literally.
Okay. Well,
It's just consolidating, you know, but I think this one is going to do a very, very good profit.
yeah.
How much do you pay in fees?
Oh, a lot, unfortunately.
Like what's like the percentage? Like do you pay like 0.01% an hour, or like do you know what the percent is?
I don't really understand that much, but of course, if you keep it open, you could pay a lot of fees. I'm not into DEX trading. I mean, can you trade that? I'm not sure. Like, I want to get into that. But if you're trading on centralized exchange, you definitely have to pay a lot of fee. And higher is your leverage, higher is the fee.
Yeah.
But I can't complain, you know, because I'm literally getting the money from the leverage. So it's like, I can't complain on fees, you know. I can't. That's how it works. You get money from leverage and you have to pay them something.
All right, let me ask you this, yeah, because recently I've been more interested in trading than I usually am, because I took one short and I felt like, yeah, I'm a trader now. I took a really good short. Anyway, right, so I only made 11%, but would you ever do this, right? Because I see Nash do this. He for example, he'll do 30x long, just like you, right, on a long trade. But then if there's a short opportunity within a short time period, he'll short the he's long in.
I would buy and sell. So, but you know, for you to be able to do that, you need to watch all the time. But I don't really have time every day. It depends on my schedule. You know, if I'm doing meetings, I would be trading on 4-hourly time frame. If I'm like more chill, I would just trade more and take more trades. So yeah, but
so that's something you do as well, where you're in a long and then a short time period. Oh, there's a short opportunity, you'll take it.
Yeah, I would actually.
Yeah, you futures traders, you leverage people.
That's
You're
very
all a
dangerous.
sick
I can't
bunch.
say I would do that.
It's nice, but I think you need to know when to stop as well. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you need to know when to stop, man.
Yeah, otherwise we're back to the 9 to 5s, isn't it?
Yeah.
You need to know when to stop. Okay, what have you got your eye on right now in the markets? Because it's
I don't have any eye on until tomorrow. I think we're suffering some manipulations, to be fair. Like if you look to the past 2 weeks, it's pretty much at the same place, dancing around and doing nothing. You know, we're not having any crazy sell or any crazy buy. So yeah, it's been boring, but the momentum is coming. I just don't know when it is, but it's coming. Maybe this week. I really hope to see crypto moving this week because it's boring at the moment. I think we're consolidating. So I'm not bearish, but I think we are consolidating. And it's just liquidating and killing people. You know, sometimes it's better to just wait a little bit. You can trade altcoins, you can trade other things. But Bitcoin, Ethereum, it looks very, very strange, in my opinion. It's doing nothing for some time.
You wanna check crypto bubbles? 'Cause you usually
Yeah.
do that.
Yeah, so on a daily is not the best. Weekly.
Trump coin. We should have known, guys.
Copy.
Should have known.
Yeah, we have a lot of meme points coming up, and I don't know what to say. Like, I can't keep up with all these coins. I wish I was a bot. Like, I don't even know this one. Cat in a dog's watch.
Oh, see, BitBlond, that's how you know you don't dex trade. We all got airdrop cats in the dog's world. We all got like $70 each on every wallet.
I'm trading in 5 different exchanges, and you want me to go to the centralized ones? Well, like, I know. Maybe soon when I
Centralized
catch out
exchanges-
and upgrade. I need 3 screens at least, so then I can trade in 5 centralized and 3 decentralized.
Yeah!
And that would be that easy.
BitBlond. Like, centralized exchanges, they don't give you free money like
I know airdrop,
centralized
yeah.
exchanges. The airdrop life is a fun one. It's like, hee. You just rise.
Yeah. I know, it's good. I want to get into that trading, but you know what? I'm really busy with these old trading platforms I use.
Yeah. Wait, so
However,
which 5 platforms do you use?
well, I will mention 3 because they're actually sponsoring my channel, kind of. It's like I got some deal with it.
Okay.
So I use Fimex pretty much every day, Bybit, and Max Global sometimes. Like three of them, I really use it, and Big Edge as well. So the other one is just sometimes. So 4 of them, I'm very active. Fimex, it's literally my top one. I'm very familiar with it, I would say. So yeah. But for meme coins, I don't feel like it's the best place to trade. It depends what you're trading.
Makes sense.
I don't feel.
How long
Yeah.
have you using Mexi for? Because I feel like Mexi came from nowhere. I don't know about
Oh, I've been using for some
everyone uses it.
time, like more than a year actually. But there is something just to buy altcoins. Like, I don't even trade altcoins on that. It's a lot of exchanges in the world. Like, you have to choose your favorite ones. I use OKX sometimes. It really depends, but I'm more familiar with Fimex and Bybit. And I think they should have a card, by the way, if you are watching this video. You should have a card so then people can just, spend the money from the trades. And yeah, we got a lot of meme coins going on in the world, but I think you just have to do what works for you. Everybody has their own different trading style. Some people like to invest in long term, some people like to trade. As long as you do something that brings you profit and you genuinely like it, I think it's fine. So yeah, long story short, you have Mog Coin. It's on Max Global GetIO. 18.1% down. I have no idea of this. By the way, I don't even know what that is. Mog Coin.
Looks like a cat. I think Moggy, like a
Inu.
nickname for a cat.
Yeah. Kujira, I don't know. APU, Pixel. It's a lot. Whatever is really, really down is nice to buy. And you just have to do the opposite. But yeah, if you guys want, I can just have a look in any of this. It's up to you.
Has anyone got a coin request for BitBlond to look into? Dubham or Krag? or Ken?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you look into Near Protocol?
Near
Yes, please.
Near Protocol.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. I love Near Protocol, by the way.
No, yeah, I know you love that. Yeah, you're quite bullish on that. I heard. I remember from 2 weeks ago.
But I'm not trading it, but I have some Near on my long-term holdings.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
makes sense. Trading is a bit dead. Yeah, I wouldn't really trade it. It's not my kind of thing. Not much volume, but good for long term hold. That's just my opinion. But I could be wrong, but that's just what I feel.
guys, I honestly believe Nair's gonna go to $20 plus in this bull market.
I really hope. I do. Um, yeah, right now it's starting to form the next buying zone, I would say, on the 4 hour time frame, but I would not enter yet this trade. So maybe when it's less, like when it's a nice dip, you can go. But it's looking good actually. If the 200 AMA keep just going up, would be cool. So yeah, it's looking into the buying zone on the other side also. On the 4 hour time frame, and let's have a look on a daily. Oh no, on a daily, no. Actually, I would wait, definitely. On a daily, it's not time to buy yet. But that's why you have to watch both. So then, when it comes a little bit close to the 200 AMA, you can just buy and would be nice. I would not buy yet, But yeah, so far, if you're holding on a long term, I like NIA. I think NIA is a nice one to hold. Just wait on the next very, very deep opportunity, I would say. All right. Anything else?
Krog?
Nah. I think I'm all good. Thank you. All good.
Did you take a look at Solana, BitBlond?
Yeah. I was trading Sol these days, but I am not trading Solana. Or I even had a kind of support and resistance around here. I'm expecting Solana to go back to 200, but it's not like a buying zone. I don't think that is. So maybe on the next opportunity you can long. But yeah, I have Solana on my holding side, so I'm very, very bullish on a long-term talk. I think the project itself is really good. They have a lot of projects, and they're very good with the entire network thing. So I think Solana could potentially flip 200 on the next, movement.
Cool, nice. So would you short this?
No. I would wait to buy. I'm not a very good shorting when it's bull market. Like, I would be like, it's not that I wouldn't short, but it's just like I don't feel like we are on a bear market. And then I would be looking into more dips than shorts at the moment. But if you want, yeah, you can. It would go down. Of course, it has to form the new buying momentum. So you can short. And then when it's around here, you can buy and long.
Cool.
But overall, Solana is good. I like Solana. So all right. Thank you.
Cool, good stuff.
All right. Jay, you want to go next?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, cool. So, sweet. I'm gonna start sharing my screen. Yeah, I've been perping, doing some perp trades. I haven't really been like flipping meme coins as much because obviously we're still in a pullback. So I'm like, okay, meme coins are probably even less likely to actually do their thing now. So I may as well go into, shorting and stuff. I'm potentially longing on a perp trade, but yeah, I'll start sharing my screen. There we go. So I recently switched up how I set up my chart. I think I'll just go into that. Oh, my alerts. I think I'll just go into this sort of chart setup and how I've been using it to basically do technical analysis. Hopefully this loads. Yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, what have I been doing? What have I got here? I've basically got three things. I've got the RSI, which is typically the first thing, right, that will show the move. Well, actually, it's the GPI. So GPI is a really cool indicator. I'm not exactly sure how it's made up, but I do know it's very useful. Damn, Wi-Fi is being hella slow. Sorry, just a sec. I'm gonna close some other stuff. Close that. Yo, 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 I'm back. Hope I wasn't gone for too long. Can you guys hear me? Let's get that again. I just switched to tethering on my phone. Actually, wait. Let's just share again. Cool. This should be quick enough. Can you guys see? Yeah, I should be able to see my screen. Let me know. Let's go on to Bitcoin on the daily. So how
we can see.
Sweet. So how I've set up my chart, let's get rid of all this TA. I need that. I've set up my chart is like this, right? So this big line here is the 200 MA, and all these other moving averages are basically the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then 200 MA, right? The first thing is actually the RSI, because that's where you'll see the move first before anything else, right? Like, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's the start of the move. You'll just see the move that's likely to happen. So for example, we saw, okay, cool, it's trying to go down from here, but guess what? It still went up loads. You know what I mean? Even though it was oversold on the RSI, if you thought, oh yeah, it's oversold and it's crossing over on the RSI, right? You'd have, well, if you were lucky, you'd have gotten 3 or 4%. And if you didn't take out your profit, obviously you'd have been wrecked on this upside. So it's about looking for complements of things. Like really and truly, once you see this accumulation in the overbought region on the RSI, and this goes for multiple time frames, you then look on the MACD. Now, really, the crossover on the MACD is when you know to pull the trigger, especially once you've been seeing the volume to the opposite direction start waning, right? So look, you can see this, the thick bars basically mean, yeah, this amount of, in this case, if it's green, this amount of bullish volume for this day was more than the previous day. And then when it gets lighter, it means this was less than the previous day. And if the next one is lighter, that means this was even less than the day before that. Obviously, this one was more bullish volume, as you can see by this particular candle here on the 4th of March. And then the volume and then the bullish volume kept going down whilst the price kept going up, divergence, but there was less bullish volume overall. And then what happened after it kept going down? What happened? Obviously, there was a crossover on the MACD, right? And then we started seeing the bearish volume, right, go up. Okay, so the bearish volume on this day was more than the previous day, up until here, where this one had actually less bearish volume. As you can see on this day, Bitcoin went up, right? But really, this is what I've been using. I spoke about the GPI as well. It's quite useful. So I would put the GPI at the top because it's basically the first thing that's going to fire. And the price is basically the last thing you'll see. So if we go back to this move again, you can see here, this move happened even before the RSI. So in terms of speed, we'll see the GPI first, and then the RSI, and then the MACD, and then price action. You know what I mean? So when you're looking at these crossovers, it can be quite useful. So let's look at this GPI in a bit more detail. So you can see here, whenever there's a crossover, right, it tends to be a different shift in terms of momentum, or you'll at least see some consolidation, right? Or at least it will stop going in the initial direction it was going. Then it went down for a bit, then it went up, 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 up. But obviously, you need to use these in complements with each other, right? So I would just use the GPI. It's not absolutely necessary. Really and truly, if you want to use it, you would use it on a shorter term time frame to know when to pull the trigger, because it's very, very fast. You know what I mean? It'll actually move a lot of the time before price does. Whoops. You know what I mean? Which is quite useful. Cool. So let's look at Solana, or let's look at Ton actually. Ton's pretty lit. Don't know if you guys got your Ton portfolios. Got mine's pretty good. Ton's been doing bits, obviously been whipping the last few days. Just like, it's mad. Yeah, 60% in like 2 weeks. It's pretty good. And Ton is now, what, top 10, I think. Ton's top 10. 9, yeah, number 9. It's mad. These guys, I think these guys are coming for the top, really, I can't lie. Because they just scaled so quickly. And their marketing and the fact that they have infrastructure, also a lot of their customers already in crypto, or people who use their platform. I would say with Ton, wait till you at least get if you really can't wait to pull the trigger, wait till you at least get into this zone. And this, by the way, is a trend reversal probability calculator. I like this because it's not an indicator as such, it's a calculator. It's beautiful because it means it's just pure numbers being used to calculate it. And it also shows you, okay, the current trend, which is bullish, and the probability of it reversing. Right now, there's a 10% chance Ton will reverse, right? But obviously, if it keeps going down, this probability number will increase. So yeah, it's just important to bear that in mind. Has anyone got any questions?
You know, one of the things that made me a little bit bearish about the Ton ecosystem thing is that I've not really looked into it too deeply, but didn't Telegram stop affiliating themselves officially with Ton?
Did that happen?
Go to CoinMarketCap and then read the about.
I think that was a couple years ago, more to do with like they didn't want to be associated with it in terms of like a legal thing when everyone's trying to crack down on crypto. They don't want to be directly associated, but I might be wrong, but I think it could be the same founder still for both of them.
Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, I'm going into this now. It's saying the team at Telegram has been developing the code base for the network, then named the Telegram Open Network. And the native cryptocurrency Gram, right? Okay. However, in May 2020, Telegram founder and CEO announced the end of Telegram's involvement with the Ton blockchain following a court order by the SEC. The Gram token was not issued. Interesting. So there's like loose sort of connection. But at the end of the day, I feel Ton is still very much integrated into Telegram. You know what I mean? In terms of like user experience, they got it. Like they got their own wallet. You know what I mean? So even though legally on paper they can't be affiliated because obviously SEC, Gary Gensler, these people on their back. Yeah, I think in terms of actual work, they're definitely in cahoots, so to speak. See, you know what I mean? And especially because, well, I mean, you got the Ton blockchain, but then you've also got Ton on Binance and Ethereum as well. So I think that makes me quite bullish because it's, I guess, you could technically say it's multi-chain, even though it's its own chain as well, which is quite good. So yeah, I think I'll leave it there. Yeah, go on.
You know, I'd be interested to know. Is Ton, so Ton's an Ethereum layer 2, right? So it's the EVM. So you can add Ton to MetaMask as a chain.
It's actually a TVM as like primarily because there's a Ton virtual network.
Right. Okay.
Like, let me just show you. I'll just do some quick research. TVM.
I wonder if you can add it to MetaMask.
That's good, right?
I'm trying to right now. Let me Google if you can, because the way I think about it is that when it comes to mass adoption, yeah, one thing Solana's got against it is that MetaMask is not compatible with it. Like I know Phantom's easy to use, and I know you can use Solana on loads of things, but there will be a narrative simply because, you know, like Joseph Lubin and like the Ethereum circle and stuff, there'll always be a narrative to push MetaMask and Ethereum. It's literally within like American financial interest in the TradFi world. Anyway, I don't want to go into that superstitious co-founder rabbit hole.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. If you say so.
No. Do you know what it is? I'm also not qualified. I haven't done enough research. to be able to comment on it. But cool. Is that everything from your part or anything else, bro?
Yep. That's everything from me. Go for it, bro.
All right, cool. So, not gonna lie, yeah, I'm not getting paid to say this. But should I tell you where I got the info? No, I don't think I can tell you guys where I got the information from. But I can at least give you the altcoin show. I'm not getting paid to say this, and these guys are not. They don't know who I am. But I sniped something today, and I'm going to be honest. Pardon me. The only reason why I've not bought it, I'm going to buy it like ASAP, is because I did the research and then I've just been on calls. Now I don't shill a lot of coins. Oh man, why is the Matrix attacking my screen? No. Hello, am I still here? Hello, can you guys still hear me? Low network bandwidth. Let me turn my camera off. All right, perfect, cool. Right, yeah. Where's the altcoin? I have too many tabs. Too many tabs. Here we are. Yeah. Okay, cool. Right. Talk about he wants to hear about low cap life. Woo! Come on. I need to hear it. Woo! Yeah, come on. We all know about low cap life. Now, disclaimer, you should. Where is it? Share. Okay, cool. The cat's out of the bag. The coin is Sharetopia. I'm shilling Sharetopia and I'm not getting paid. And I, at the time of recording, have not even bought it for myself yet. Okay. But the only reason why is because I've been gem hunting today. And this basically got spoken in a Discord group that I'm in called Gem Hunters. that's co-owned by Luke Belmar. There is only 850 people in this Discord, and in order to get into the Discord, you needed to prove you had $50,000 worth of cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, I don't have $50,000 worth of cryptocurrency, so I don't even know how I got in the Discord, you know. Don't know how I got in there, but but it got shielded. It got shielded there, and then one of the mentors on the campus said it in his public YouTube. So now I feel like I can say it. So I'm not like stealing from this group that allegedly cost $5,000 to be in. That you need to prove you have $50,000 in crypto to get in. So, you know, it's a miss. How did I get in there? You know. Anyway, so it was spoken on that group, and then again, one of the mentors made a YouTube video on it. So, look, this is on Matic only. Now, why do we like Matic? Matic is the biggest Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. And remember, never forget that Matic had the second most amount of Matic onboarded the second most amount of new developers in all of crypto in 2023. The most outside of Ethereum. Matic onboarded more new devs than Solana. Why? Because the CEOs are Indian. Don't sleep on our Indian brothers because they're killing it. So, it's built on Polygon, right? 2 million market cap. The only bearish factor is the circulating supply. I don't like this. But besides that, check out the game. Guys, gaming narrative is going to start soon, right? So, in fact, meme coin narrative is going to pick back up, yeah? AI narrative hasn't even really ran yet. And gaming narrative, like, that's not even popped off. This is all three at the same time. Look at this shit. You've got Pepe. You've got what's it? The Shiba the Shiba Inu coin, right? You got Doge. And then the team is they're all doxed. Yeah. The COO, Iqbal Khan, this guy used to do sales and marketing at Microsoft. Yeah. The CEO, industry order and background digital marketing. It's to work for Yale. It's create comprehensive, blah, blah, blah. Do your own research, but do we like this, guys? On a 2 million market cap gaming coin. Do we like it? Docs team, look at that. The marketing advisor, he's got a big head. You know what I mean? He's considered, well, that's good marketing. And you obviously got the undocs team as well. Do you know what I mean? He thinks big. The marketing advisor thinks so big that he's got a bigger picture than the CEO, right?
So big.
Now that's marketing, right? So, look, you can even apply to join the team. Let's apply to join the team.
And why not?
Hey, why not? Guys, all Blockchain Sensei needs is a 5% kickback on your salary if you get a job with Sharetopia. Where they've even got an address. They're based in Leamington Spa. We can pull up on them. 16 Athena Road. We can even go there. Yeah. Look, see, I've never ever seen this. Leamington Spa. That's just outside of Birmingham. We can go there. It's near a Sainsbury's. We can go to the Street View. We can pull up on them. We can pull up on them, guys. They're not, guys. I am so bullish on this. Now, by bullish, right, I don't mean put your life savings. I'm talking literally 1 maximum 3% of your portfolio. Say it back to me, guys. 1, maximum 3% of my portfolio. Max, that's it. And you know what? If you don't research, don't invest. Yeah, this is the breakdown. What are you guys? Mathematical breakdown. Let's stop sharing here. Share this. Oh my God, Matrix attacking my screen again. We're back. Wait. This is literally it, guys. I don't share all the time, so when I do, I make sure it's a sniper one. Right, look. This is how you should calculate how, because people like to ask me, Ninja, how much should I invest? Right? So, most of you guys have some level of income stream. And if you don't, you should sort that out before investing. Unless, like me, you have time wealth. That's where you've got dollars or pound sterling or fiat or gold or silver, something stable where if in theory I stop getting paid, I could still live off this hard asset, right? Whether it's physical cash or GBP or USDC, right? So if you don't have stable income, you should at least have that. And most of you guys will be on the income side, 99% of you guys, right? However much you get paid, like let's say you get paid £15 an hour, right? When you make an investment, you should think, if you invest £45 into something, yeah, you should have at least, most of you guys are employees or contractors that have a like pound sterling or dollar amount that you get per hour. This is how I want you to treat investing. I'm very serious because I literally came up off a minimum wage job in 2020 and then got to financial freedom, right? And these times I was making like £9 an hour. So the way I look at it is, if I were to make, in my situation back then, right, 4 years ago, if I were to make a £36 investment, it takes me 4 hours to acquire £36. So at minimum, I must research for at least 1 hour. Not financial advice, but research to however much you get paid per hour, right? You should literally research for 15 minutes. So if you get paid £25 an hour, yeah, for every £25 that you invest in the market, you should understand the asset by 15 minutes of research. I've never ever shared this, right? But this is some baseline rational thinking, because, and this is, and mind my language, but some of you pricks, right, throw money in the market, but you on minimum wage. Like, this is the crypto casino. And take this very, very seriously, and you will change your net worth, right? Because your main goal in crypto should be to increase your net worth. So let me go back to something like this. I will be deploying less than 1% of my net worth here, right? Because 1% of my net worth, to me, is a lot. Now, 1% of my net worth was not a lot of money 3 years ago. So yeah, why not? Maybe 3 years ago, I would put 3% of my net worth in this. But I'm not going to do that, right? So I will get an allocation. But for me, it'll be less than 1%. For most of you guys, don't exceed 3% because it might not work out. But this has a large upside. Not just this, but projects like this. Projects where the fundamentals look good and the market cap is low. That's it. That's the bloody formula. It's a new coin. Exciting, right? It came out on the 29th of March, 2024. The market's not been doing too much since the 29th of March, 2024, has it? So because this coin launched, in fact, let's just go to Bitcoin. Since the 29th of March, what's happened? Not that much. I'm not even going to do mad TA. I'm just going to do a lines chart, right? Just use your common sense. 29th of March, 29th of March, 29th of March, 29th of March. Literally, since the 29th of March, the market's been going down. So why am I so bullish on this? Go back onto the camera so you guys can see my face and see how serious I am, right? Now, this doesn't mean... The more important thing is not about the specific coin. It's about the fundamental lessons that I'm going to teach you that you can apply across the board. So I'm not saying it's going to work out. The coin that I shill can absolutely go to zero, and I'm not responsible if it goes to zero, okay? So the fundamental is this. The coin launched on the 29th of March. Since then, the market's been going down. This can be any time in period, any human time period. If you're watching this in 2027, the date can be the 29th of June, 2027, whatever. Apply it to the fact that a coin launched as the market is declining. But it's not declining into a bear market. It's only declining in the bull trap. Furthermore, the fundamentals are what? Strong. At least semi-strong in terms of narrative. The team is doxed. 2 million market cap. It's on Polygon Matic. Safe. Yeah?
Sorry, Ninja, what's doxed? Sorry.
Doxed means that identity is shared. That I'm doxed. You know who I am. I'm not an NFT. I'm a real person who does videos, and you can meet me in real life where some crypto people will be behind the NFT and you don't know what they look like. That's what
Right, okay, cool.
it means. Not anonymous. That's what it means. So,
Right, cool.
hopefully,
What
you guys...
markets is it on?
Sorry?
What markets is it on?
It's only on the Polygon blockchain. Yeah, and guess what? It's not that easy to buy, right? That's another thing. You should be bullish on things that are not too easy to buy, because when they're too easy to buy, everyone's bought it. You can only buy this on Mexi or QuickSwap. That is it. The token is AMBO, A-M-B-O. And if you don't know how to use it, how to get on Mexi or QuickSwap, then you're unqualified to buy this token. And you should spend more time learning about cryptocurrency. So that is the shill. I will be buying this, and I will update you guys next week on how it goes. And if it's in drawdown, it's in drawdown. But the main point is not let's buy this token, which can absolutely go back down to $1.10, and you can do 50% drawdown. If you buy today, you might do 50% drawdown or more. You might lose all your money, but the fundamental, I hope, sticks with you. It makes sense to me, and I literally told you guys where I got it from. Cool. That is the altcoin show. What am I looking at? Let me just be honest with you guys. I recently sold all my BNB just for the BNB holders out there, right? Why did I sell BNB? Don't even know. Why am I lined grass? I feel like Alex Becker. Oh, well, right. We're not doing too much TA today. I'm lucky enough to have scooped a sizable amount of BNB at an average price of 230. It was like 230, 270. Been DCA-ing, and this is a damn triple top. Yeah, I don't know where BNB is going, but if anybody wants a signal from NinjaTea, I sold all my BNB. I ain't got no BNB. I sold it all, right? Except like 1 or 2 BNBs for gas fees. I don't think I've even got 2, but I had like a stack. I sold it all. Solana is something that should have been stacking, but I've been a degenerate. Been trading memes, right? On reflection, I should have DCA'd more into Solana. I also sold most of my Solana at like $50-$60 because I had an average price of like $21 because I was smart enough to accumulate in summer, but not smart enough to hold on. So there's some lessons for you guys. I don't know enough about Ton blockchain, and it's crazy how this has just gone this high. I will be buying Doge. Man, actually, this is called Ninja Shillers. The Ninja Shiller section. I don't usually shill this much. Oh shit, it's nearly 9 p.m. I'll wrap the stream up in like 5 minutes. Yeah, I am happy to buy Doge at today's price. No problem. I would love Doge at 10 cents. And I do believe in this bull market, Doge should hit $1. I don't like too many price predictions. I don't know anything about Cardano that's going on. I have no Cardano. I don't know enough about Avax. And I only use Tron for pre-sales. Polkadot, I really would like to get this to touch $5 zones to scoop up some more. It's very interesting. Why does this fire emoji here? And I don't know why. Bitcoin Cash is something that I had so much cognitive bias against for years. Now I don't have any cognitive bias. I just want to make money. I'm pretty bullish on price action on Bitcoin Cash. I think this year could be the year. Don't want to say it. I think this year could be the year that we push. We didn't do these all-time highs in the previous cycle, but I actually believe that it could happen this bull cycle. The reason why is because Bitcoin Cash is in the Grayscale portfolio, and basically one of the co-founders of Bitcoin Cash is a big shareholder or co-owns one of the biggest Bitcoin mining companies, and it's also an insider job. And the Chinese government's got a lot of it. And yeah, don't bet against legacy in crypto. Always have a legacy. I'm gonna end it with this. I think you would be unwise to not at least have a legacy crypto portfolio. It sounds so boring, right? But you should have a war chest, in my opinion, of things that lasted the test of time, including but not limited to, you don't need all of them, right? But things like Chainlink, XRP, Litecoin. I know you guys hate me saying this. LTC, right? I have maybe 25 to 30% of my portfolio in, I guess you could say, boring blue chips, but I want to get rich for sure, and I absolutely cannot stand the idea of excessive capital burn. You have to self-audit yourself and ask yourself what kind of investor you are. I've been in the game for too long and I've lost too much money, so I need things that are going to grow for absolute sure. I will bet my career that Litecoin will be a great investment. Between now and the end of the bull market, I don't know when it's going to go up. I'd love Litecoin to go up, and it's just staying still, not doing anything. Right? I love Polkadot, and I've added Bitcoin Cash into that, even though I think the technology is tragic, and I don't co-sign Bitcoin Cash at all. But I actually believe that that we've had a 6-7 year price suppression on Bitcoin Cash, and on the even the fact that loads of noobs are going to come into crypto and buy Bitcoin Cash because of YOLO. There's so many fundamental bullish factors. I cannot deny it. I cannot deny the data, and I hate Bitcoin Cash, but I have it because at the end of the day, all I care about is getting more stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll let go of all emotions to all coins that I like. In fact, I should work on myself as an investor and remove all emotions, but that's something that I'm working with within myself. Anyway, run over. Any questions? Hopefully this has been a good mix of like technical and holistic and fundamental Sunday session.
Yeah, I was lit.
Cool, man. Any questions, Krog, Ken, Dublin?
Nah, you're good, man. Cheers for today. Good session from everyone.
Thank you
Fantastic.
so much.
Don't sleep on the altcoin that I
Thank you,
showed.
man.
Please research.
Oh, bro, did you look at any of the stuff I sent in the group?
I need to put my head down on it. Thank you for pushing me to do that.
No worries.
Yeah. All right, cool, Ken. Hopefully, I see you in person at Createch.
Yeah, man.
In fact, let's see this live one called BitBlond. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
What are your plans in 13 days on Saturday the 25th?
I'll be flying back.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll be flying back to Lisbon.
oh, never mind. Okay,
But then after 3 months, I'll be back anyways.
okay, no problem. That's fine. Guys, Saturday the 25th, Metaphysical, Shuriken Sounds, our subsidiary company, Chop Life Edition. My bad on the marketing, but it's happening in 13 days and it's going to be amazing. We're going to have some good speakers. All right, see you soon, guys. Take care.
See you soon. Have fun.